Hey everybody, I'm just going to do a small swipe today, and I'm using an 8x8 canvas, Artist Loft, so it's from Michaels. Let me make sure that we can actually get you closer on this one than I usually do. There, a little bit closer than usual, because I won't be tilting much and I won't be smashing, so it is a lot less messy pour than usual, and it's a tiny canvas, so I can get the tripod closer to it. All right, let me show you, if you haven't seen the videos where I've done, so this is kind of the swipe that I'm talking about. I've got one on a square, and then I have one just like this on a round. And that one's sold, but the square one is still available. So that's kind of the model I'm using for this one. So I've got a self-mixed green with silicone, and that would be the treadmill silicone. I've got Grumbacher Cerulean Blue Hue, which is Floetrol and water, and then iridescent medium. This blue has been giving me quite the headache this week because it was too thin. So I used the iridescent medium to thicken it up. So we'll see how it goes. I love this iridescent medium. It shows up really well when dry, and it's not overpowering. It just adds the right amount of just a shimmer. It's perfect. I've got Winsor Newton Vermilion, one of my favorite colors. And this is another one of my favorites. I haven't used it a lot lately, but it's Liquitex Basic Light Blue Violet. And in fact, I'm going to stir it because I really don't think I've used it much lately. And I should probably stir up this one because I don't think I've used that one recently. So as I said, only one of these, only this one has silicone. And these bamboo sticks are so awesome. Love them. Love them, love them, love them. Move these out of the way. Pour some white paint. I'm keeping it in this gallon jug, which is the coolest jug ever. I love it. I didn't realize it was possible to get so excited over such small things, but it really is. But I am out of, I only have half a gallon of white paint left. And there's not a whole lot left in here, which is why I went with the 8x8 canvas instead of a bigger one. I didn't feel like mixing more paint tonight. To make a trip on down to Menards. I should get me some paint. Alright, come on, you just have to flow that little bit on that side. You can do it. Take the paint that has dripped off. Touch up the sides. These level 3 canvases from Michaels, the corners always seem to open like they're not sealed shut. So sometimes I just put a little extra paint in the corners to kind of, it acts like a glue sort of on their edges. The level 2 canvases don't have that issue. It's just the level 3s. In fact, the level 2s I like better style-wise because they have kind of a rounded edge. Whereas these drop off. So I wish they made their level 2s like their level 1s or level 3s. Can't have everything in life, I suppose. Quick, make sure that we are in frame, and we are. I think I'm going to use this to apply it because I don't want to accidentally spill off. Well, maybe this isn't the best idea either. Yeah. I was hoping it would work more like a spoon, but it's not. So I'm going to do the one with silicone. The blue. Now for the swipe. Probably have too much paint for this itty bitty canvas. Looking good. Oh, look at that vermilion shooting up there. That's neat. Alright, now I gotta turn it because I can't swipe the other direction. Wish it had a more definitive line right here like the others did. Kinda does. Wanted to make sure it looked like bare canvas there, but it wasn't. Just like it looks like bare canvas over here. Oh, that was pure color. It's a good thing I looked before I... It's pretty good. Looking good. It did what I wanted it to do. Really can't ask for more than that. I don't like that. I don't like when they're looking like they're dividing. It's interesting. This side has these big ones. And then this has little ones. So let's see. Well, I guess you can see it here. But I would probably, this is probably how I'd hang it if it were in my home. So there's my swipe. Thanks for watching, and please click like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Get you a little closer, and see you later.